Continuing off part 1 of Unit 6, mid-unit assignment. This is part 2 of that. So starting off with the first question. Now dip the pH probe into the solution and slowly increase the strength of the base. What do you notice? What conclusion can I draw? And so my solution for this is that I notice that the pH increases. Then I draw the conclusion that increasing the strength of the base increases the pH, even if the concentration stays the same. So that does not matter at all. And so this means that a stronger base makes the solution more basic without needing a higher amount. In this same solution, what do you notice happens to the degree of ionization, amount of formation of ions in the solution as seen in the magnifying glass? Does this match the definition of a strong base? I see that the bromonium ion and hydroxide ion, it actually increases, which does indeed match the definition of a strong base. And moving on to the second question, what color does the litmus paper turn when you dip it into the solution? And so what I got from this was, after I made the base stronger, the litmus paper turned very dark blue when I dipped it into the solution. So that was the result that I got. Moving on to the third question. Now start with a weaker possible base again, but change the concentration to 0.001. Dip the pH probe into your solution and slowly increase the concentration. What did I observe occur as I increased the concentration of the base in the solution? So I actually observed that the pH started increasing again like before when I increased the concentration. Moving on to the fourth question. Electrical conductivity can be accomplished by moving charges when a circuit is run through a conductive solution. It is because ions in that solution move to complete the circuit. Select the weakest acid possible and set its concentration to 0.001. Now test the conductivity by examining the brightness of the light bulb. Slowly increase the strength of the acid. What did I observe? And I will explain my results. So the more I increase the strength of the acid, the brighter the light bulb actually becomes. And for this, I believe this is because when I make the acid stronger, it dissociates more fully into more ions, which then increases electrical conductivity, which also makes the light bulb brighter. Moving on, what else could I have done to the solution to make the light bulb brighter? I definitely could have also increased the amount of concentration to be able to make the light bulb brighter. And would this trend in conductivity also be observed in bases? My answer for this is yes, it can also be observed in bases, because when you make bases stronger, just like strong acids, it dissociates more completely and releases more like hydroxide ions, which improves electrical conductivity. So this is the end of Unit 6, my mid-unit assignment, and thank you so much for